Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your man Drifto Crypto back at it again with another video, and I get this question all the time. I get it asked more so in public than I do like in YouTube comment sections. A lot of you guys, if you're on my videos, you already know what an NFT is. And in case you don't know what you clicked on, this video is what is an NFT. I decided I'd make this video because I'm tired of just explaining it to people. So I'm just like, yo, I'm just gonna make a video, and anytime somebody asks me, I'm just gonna reference the video and call this a day. I'm just gonna literally go to YouTube, search it, put it on the phone. Here you go. That's what an NFT is. So I want to get into this and make it as new friendly as I can, as newcomer friendly as I can, because I understand that a lot of people are just getting into the space and they don't know a lot of the technology or the terminology or whatever the case. So let's get into what an NFT is. An NFT is a non-fungible token. An NFT stands for non-fungible token. And for us to understand what that term means, I need to explain to you what fungible means. So, or non-fungible. So something that is fungible is something that is identical to another thing. So therefore, like a $1 bill is fungible to another $1 bill. So $1 bill is equal to another $1 bill. So therefore that makes it fungible. So if I were to reach inside your pocket, take out $1 bill, put it in my pocket, then reach inside my wallet and return another dollar into your wallet, you would never know the difference that I even took a dollar out in the first place, because it's fungible, it's identical, and it has the same value and utility as the first dollar that I took. So what a non-fungible token is, it pretty much means that it is a unique, one-of-a-kind, piece of art or music or digital real estate or any other like digital product or service that could be offered as an NFT. So, and pretty much it just means that it's a one-of-a-kind. Each one is different. Usually these kind of NFT projects, they come up with like a 10,000 collection. Each one is different from the last. There's different traits, different styles, and so on and so forth. And that is what people pay for. So you cannot take one NFT and another NFT and they be equal or fungible. They're non-fungible because the traits are different, because the utility is different, because the look is different. So, and another thing is that a lot of people just say, well, can't somebody just screenshot it? That's like, let's do a common talking point, is why can't somebody just screenshot it and now they own the NFT? It doesn't work like that. Yes, you can screenshot it, but then you're just a poser, to be honest with you. You're just a poser. But whenever you actually own the piece of art or real estate or the NFT, it is verified. The transaction is verified and proven of ownership, of authenticity through the blockchain. And that blockchain can be the Ethereum blockchain, that can be the Solana blockchain, that can be the AVAX blockchain, that can be the future Cardano or ADA blockchain. It's pretty much verified through the transactions that it was sold here and bought by this person. And this person is now the new owner. And that new owner can then list for sale, and then they can sell to the next new owner. And it's all verified. The next thing is that I want to discuss the people who say, oh, why should I care? Why should this will never be a big thing. This is just a fad or whatever. This is definitely going to be the future. This is the amount of innovation that is in NFTs is ridiculous, especially since it's centered all around the metaverse. And in case you haven't realized, like whenever big billion-dollar companies like Nike, Adidas, Facebook, Walmart is involved in the metaverse and NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Like whenever these giants get involved, this means that they have professionals and advisors who are way smarter than me, way smarter than you. I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure you're a smart person, but they have multiple teams of multiple big brain people who are getting involved because they see money and finances and they see that it's the future. This is something that is going to take place whenever mass adoption takes place. And right now, because you're watching my video now, you are ahead of the curve. You have an opportunity to learn more, to become more educated, to become more financially literate when it comes to the metaverse and NFTs, and you now have the opportunity. You should act now. You shouldn't wait later. If somebody brought you to my video, you should be thanking them. And I like to just end it off with this. Anything that you do that's brand new and innovative, a lot of people are gonna be calling you crazy. A lot of people's gonna be asking you questions, and sometimes you might not even have the answers. That's why I'm saying you should take the opportunity to educate yourself on it right here, right now. Like I said, you're above the head, you're ahead of the crowd, you're ahead of the herd, and you're still getting in early at this point. If you need more information on NFTs and all other good stuff, you should subscribe to my channel. My channel is centered around NFTs. I do a lot more other cryptos on the side, but NFTs is gonna be the main thing, the main focus over here. Also, I realized that, you know, the NFT space, there's a whole lot of new beginners coming in all the time. So if you're watching this video on what are NFTs, I'm gonna link you to the next step that you need to look into, which is how to buy NFTs. I have a video right here. It's a very easy video. I wanna say it's like the easiest one on YouTube to even watch. It's like a 3-minute video of how to do it in 3 easy steps. So I hope you enjoy it. I thank you for coming to my video. I hope to keep seeing you here. And yeah, you should leave a comment down below because I like to get to know my community. I always answer back. And if you guys have any kind of video requests, I'm always willing and open to hear any kind of request. And if you just have a question, I'll answer it in the comment section. Appreciate you for coming to my video. Peace.